To the other side. These buttons are so simple. This one you can't even see it. OMG, it's like blurry. It's like worn out. They need to put some new buttons. Turn signal. Well, we're gonna turn. We'll walk across the street. Hold on. We made it across. These buttons are so simple. These McCain buttons. They didn't even beep or say anything. Just pushing them, but I don't even know if they work. McCain crosswalk buttons. Yeah, you don't know if they even work. They don't beep or anything.
They don't talk.
They don't talk or anything. All right. Oh, well, that's our little trip, Hickory Hills, to view the crosswalk buttons here. Bye, crosswalk buttons.
Bye.